welcome back to Geovlogs. Children's Day speech. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Happy Children's Day to all. I have been given this opportunity by my teachers to speak a few words on our beloved Chacha Nehru, the architect of modern India. 14 November is the birth anniversary of great Indian freedom fighters and our first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day all over the country because of his immense love and affection for children. He was a change maker not only in the freedom fight but also social change. He was a concern for the growth of children as he believed they are the future of the country. He requested all the parents to take proper care and their children nurture them properly and care and love them.
He found that the strength of a country is the children of the country. This great ideology and love for the children are a reason that we celebrate Children's Day on his birth anniversary to pay him a tribute. Our first Prime Minister was a man of high ideals. He believed that there is no difference between a girl child and a boy child. In this century of so many social evil, he was a man who believed in equality of both gender and strived towards making both the gender equally strong. Children's Day is just not to celebrate the work of our first Prime Minister, but also to make the little light lamps of the country make special and loud. The aim of commemorating Children's Day each year is to make everyone aware of the importance of our young seeds. In our culture, it is to acknowledge the role of children and to spread awareness in the adults to take proper care of children. Children's Day is to ensure that adults must provide a happy and pure childhood to all the children of the society. As we all know, today no one is safe enough in this century of rapidly growing crime. Children are the most vulnerable as they can be hindered very easily. Social evils like drugs, child abuse, alcohol, child labor, violence, etc. are some blackbirds always flying in the sky above us. Children's Day is celebrated with immense pleasure all over the country. Various activities are performed like dancing, singing competition, storytelling, poetry competition, painting, essay writing and other cultural activities. Along with it, many donations are made for children who need resources. The government also put up camps and programs to facilitate the growth work for children. Indoor-outdoor games are played with children in school and colleges. A day named to make the changes in the life of our future. To sum it up, I extend my warmest greetings and wishes you all a happy Children's Day. In addition, let's celebrate this day with joy and fully appreciate the gift of childhood that has been given to us. However, let us also remember the great responsibility that is ours towards this society and a better India. And thank you all. Thank you all for giving us 5k subs. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.